catching up on Love Island, guys. Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. It's Cece here. Thank you for joining. My voice sounds a little more husky than usual. That is because last night I went to the Spice Girls. Well, I went to see the Spice Girls at Wembley. It was amazing. I went with Urban Decay Cosmetics and had the best time. But I woke up feeling a little bit rough. My throat was sore, had a few wines, and I just sat down here after having a bath and thought, do you know what? I need to get my hangover routine into play. So I was like, should I share it with you beauties? Because hopefully by the end of it, I will not look like this. So let's kick it off. This is going to be a mixture of skincare and makeup and tips to help you look refreshed when you're feeling a little bit worse for wear in the morning. Step one, my advice would be have a bath. I have cleansed my face. I had literally glitter everywhere and it's all over my pillow. I have to I'll sort that out later. Have a good scrub. It feels good. It gets all your skin going, I don't know. I would advise you to wash your hair. It does help you feel refreshed. I'm just saying the obvious things, to be honest. Okay, so first things first. These are my little exfoliating pads. Glow Tonic To Go by Pixi. You can get it in a bottle as well and use like a cotton wool pad to exfoliate, but I really love how, even though I've cleansed, I used just a balm cleanser in the bath. Drunk Elephant balm cleanser. And then this just gets every last bit of dirt out and makes your skin feel squeaky clean. Oh, my voice. I should probably put a dressing gown on. I feel like my towel's gonna fall down. But I'll do that whilst I let these kind of soak into my skin. This is a big tip. These are the Elemis Pro Collagen eye masks. Get the little jellies off, because I have got quite bad bags today. Just put them under your eyes. Oh, that instantly makes me feel better. Okay. So these are on. I'm just gonna go and find a nice cozy dressing gown. I'll be right back. I'm back with probably the most essential thing you'll need, which is a coffee. Okay, something I highly recommend. You don't have to do all these steps, and this is a disclaimer, some of these products are fairly expensive, but my skin needs good ingredients on a day like this. We gotta hope and pray. So I'm using, well, I've used it all over my body already, but I'm just gonna use a little bit more. The Garnier Summer Body Gradual Tan. That's one of my biggest tips actually, putting on some tan, because you'll just feel glowing. This literally smells so good, which brings me on to my next point. It's more of a mood lifting type thing. Spray your favourite perfume, literally everywhere. Just makes you feel refreshed. This is so beautiful actually. It's the So Body Mist. It's quite cheap, it's from Superdrug. What is that? New Wig Who Dis? Oh, this looks nice. Maybe I'll be whipping this on at the end of my tutorial. Let's take these off. Start the facial process. So I'm going to take those off, and the first thing I'm going to do is put some eye cream on. This is the Elemis Peptide 4 Eye Recovery Cream. So I feel like my eye bags have actually gone down a bit, but we just want to take a little bit of eye cream to just get the puffiness down to the minimum, and this eye cream is actually my favourite. I use it morning and night. Okay, before I put on this little serum, which I swear by, I'm just going to spray my face with this amazing tanning water. It's Jamie Genevieve's and U-Tan. Jamie's obviously one of my BFFs. So proud of you, Jamie, for this, and it's actually amazing. So this is my second or third bottle of this. I just missed it on my face. This serum, so this is CEO Glow by Kiehl's, and honestly, it is just so beautiful. I kid you not, it really does the trick. It smells like just goodness, like a green juice almost. Although that doesn't sound very appealing, but it smells gorgeous. Okay, so now my skin feels nice and hydrated. I'm gonna use this, which is a little secret weapon for when you want to look instantly like, it's like sun in a bottle, like brightness. It's the CC Brightening Serum. I kid you not, it comes out almost like a tinted moisturiser, but it's got like radiance in it. If you can see, it's actually quite dark when I put it on initially. And I do apply this with my hands just to kind of give my skin another massage, but once this is kind of all rubbed in, my skin will look a little bit more radiant and glowy, even though it looks like I'm putting mud on my face right now. Okay, so you can see that it's kind of made my skin look nice and luminous. Now onto makeup, the part where I resurrect myself. This is a big tip of mine. dampen your beauty blender. Only apply with a beauty blender, as in your complexion products, because I feel like a brush will just drag your skin, especially when it's feeling a little bit more fragile. We've got a drugstore option, which is Maybelline Fit Me. I love this foundation. However, my ride or die that I'm going to use today is Too Faced Born This Way. I feel like it just has coverage better than any other foundation I've ever used, and at the same time doesn't look cakey, which is really important. So I'm just going to start bouncing this in to my skin. Also, I mean, it depends on your skin tone, but especially if you're looking a little bit more tired than usual, use foundations and concealers that have a little bit more of a yellow undertone, because it will counteract any dullness. Wow, I cannot wait to sort my hair out. It's just so, ugh. Right, now, concealer, where we cover all of our sins. I'm using the Born This Way Sculpting Concealer, multi-use Sculpting Concealer. And also just to kind of highlight any place that creases and anywhere we want a little bit of highlight dimension. Tommy, oh my goodness, is anyone watching Love Island? Tommy's head's done a 560-degree turn apparently. Love Island is hilarious. Basically, it's the biggest show on TV in the UK right now. If you're not from the UK, that's why I'm saying that. And basically, I'm on the episode where all the girls are like being really nasty to the two new girls, Elma and Maura. And I just think it's so unnecessary. It's not needed. Don't do it. Don't be like that. Just, you know, it's Love Island. Let them crack on and your boys will choose who they want to be with. I could literally never do a show like that. Like, never. Okay, that's blended. Now we want some contour. I'm using, this is like my favourite contour stick. It's the Chubby Stick by Clinique. And I just love the kind of consistency of this stick. It's almost like the perfect mix between like a cream wax consistency, and it blends so well. Yes. Okay, right, big top tip. So once you've kind of bounced everything in, your skin is going to be more dehydrated if you've had a late night. So we need to stop the lines from setting in as quickly as possible. So I'm using a translucent powder. My favourite is probably the Laura Mercier one, but I have been loving this, which is a little Colourpop translucent no filter setting powder, and it's only like $6 I think. So yeah, I'm just gonna bake underneath my eyes. Again, this is big part that like makes you suddenly look so awake. I'm also kind of gonna contour my nose a bit, reverse contouring, so using the powder to just slim it down a bit. Okay, so I've just kind of dusted away the translucent powder with my little Fenty setting brush. This is one of my favourite contour palettes actually. It's got powder and cream contour, but I just use the powder side. It's the Urban Decay Naked Skin Shapeshifter palette. Well, I kind of want to warm up my skin first before contouring, so I'm going to use the more, I'm going to use the deeper, warmer shade to just dust a little bit of bronziness onto my face. So now I'm going to go in with the more grey shade, just using the same brush to be honest, but I'm going to sculpt out the contour a little bit more. Oh my goodness, starting to look like a real person, a real life person. So now this is definitely something I don't want you to neglect, which is blush. I'm going to use the Bare Minerals Gen Nude Powder Blush in I'm Freesia, and I love this. It's kind of got a little bit of a pearlescent pinky tone to it. I'm just going to put this on the apples of my cheeks because this will give you a bit of a nice little flush that will bring your skin to life. Okay, now moving on to highlighter. I'm going to use the Maybelline Face Studio Chrome Extreme in Diamond Glow. This is so beautiful. It's got like, it's like silvery pinky, I'd say. Just you watch this. I mean, beautiful. Look at that glow! Oh my goodness. I forgot to put my freckles on. So I've been loving this. I normally put my freckles on before I bake. That's like my new routine, but we did want to stop the creasing from setting in as soon as possible. I'm using a little freckle pen by Lime Crime. It's probably my favourite freckle pen ever. The reason I love drawing freckles on is, one, I love how they look. I do have natural freckles, and obviously if I put them on after I've done, you know, flawless skin, then it looks like I'm wearing less makeup, if that makes sense. I need a double ender. Oh, we've got a double ender. Brows, brow time. I'll zoom you in actually. Zoom you in. Yeah, let's sort these brows out basically. Just gonna give them a little brush up. I'm loving how my skin is looking. It's a miracle, guys. Oh, sorry, I haven't even told you what I'm using. I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay Waterproof Brow Mousse in medium brown. Okay, eyebrows on, and this is a big part of making me look more awake. I'm putting the highlight on my brow bone to kind of lift my brows, and also my inner corner to make them look more awake. And now I'm gonna do eyeliner. I feel like eyeliner is a bit of a fail-safe, like liquid, a nice little liquid cat eye. Liquid liner cat eye. I'm not really talking much sense. Tired. Actually, do you know what something I've been loving? Which isn't a normal part of my routine, but I know it's gonna look good because basically wow, get to the point. Brown eyeliner, basically. Brown liquid eyeliner is what I'm trying to talk about. So instead of using black, it can look quite harsh, I'm gonna use brown. And Jamie Genevieve's been doing this a lot lately. And yeah, it's kind of inspired me. I've been rocking it a lot and you guys have been liking it. So let's do a little flick with some brown eyeliner. This is my favorite liquid eyeliner. It's NYX Professional Makeup Epic Ink in the shade brown. Okay, what we're gonna do is create a nice little cat eye flick with this brown NYX Epic Ink liner. But I feel like it just kind of lifts the eye, makes them look a little bit sexier. How cute is that? Okay, am I going to be able to match the other one? That's the question. Okay, they're matched up. I'm so pleased that didn't go too that didn't go too horrifically wrong. I feel like this is like natural glam, flawless look. So lashes are a must. I'm gonna use the the Lily lashes in Miami Flare, which I've not actually used yet. So I'll put some glue on them, and then whilst they're kind of drying, I will put my mascara on. Okay, the mascara I'm gonna use is probably my favorite ever actually. The Maybelline Lash Sensational. And I'm going to just a little bit all over the tops and just the slightest bit on the bottoms. I mean, my lashes look pretty long without falsies, which I'm kind of buzzing about, but let's be extra. Let's be extra, shall we? Why not? I've glued them up now anyway. Oh yeah! Oh my goodness, obsessed. I'm gonna just blend these lashes in a wee bit with my mascara. Top up my lower lash line. I might just keep my lower lash line bare and fresh because I've brightened it up so much that I kind of want to keep it bright and not really bring too much depth to it. We've got some, you know, lashes on, we've got a nice little flick. We just kind of want to keep it simple and fresh, do you know what I mean? Okay, so now we just have the lips and hair to do, and then obviously get dressed. I'm going to use the Lime Crime little lip liner in the shade Minx. Just going to go for like a nude, but like a peachy coral nude, because I feel like that just makes you look vibrant and youthful, but still classic. I don't know. And then for liquid lipstick, I'm going to use the NYX Lip Lingerie in the shade We Ready. We Ready? We Ready. Don't know why I said that 3 times. And then I'm going to use the gloss by Colourpop, So Juicy Gloss, Plumping Gloss, Gloss, how many times do I want to say that? In the shade For the Clout. Love that. So let's do a little lip tutorial and I'll see you back here to zhuzh my hair. My goodness, what a difference from what we started off with already. Let's take my hair down and see what lies beneath. Is a bit rat's taily. Oh dear. Well, this is going to be my best friend. Invisidry Shampoo by Maria Neela. I mean, just use whatever your fave dry shampoo is really, but I feel like I'm in need of this. So I just had my hair done in London at Daniel Galvin by a gorgeous girl called Heather. She's insane at colouring. And then Billy did some tape-ins for me. I've got Beauty Works tape-in extensions and they're amazing. Like, they're so comfortable, but they're so thick, so it's quite a chore to wash and dry them. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Maybe like half up, half down or something. I had it like in two little pigtails yesterday. Is that what they're called? Pigtails? I don't know, I basically did it like Baby Spice. Did her hair back in the day. I do definitely think that good hair when you're feeling rough is a good way to trick people that you're not feeling rough. So no matter how much effort it takes, I would definitely try and cheat some kind of good hairdo. We want to kind of make everything look shiny and youthful and distract from any sign of tiredness or hangover. Oh my goodness, I nearly missed out the most important part. Chinese. That is like my ultimate hangover food, Chinese. Oh. Vegetable wow. So, looks a bit softer. I may just put it in like a half up, half down type thing. Some little strands at the front. I don't know what to do with my hair. Wait, this could look quite cute. Okay, let me grab a little clip. Okay, since I'm gonna wear it down, I'm gonna use this, which is a protein smoothing spray, a keratin-like treatment in a can by IGK. It's called Good Behaviour and it smells so gorgeous and it will just smooth out my frizzy-ish hair. I love this look, little clips at the side. Okay, yeah, that's cute. I just got this little clip from Amazon, you know. Okay, so I went with one clip and I've also put a cute little t-shirt on that has a little cherub on it and then some pretty little thing hoops to just top it off and to just bring it all together, really. Guys, I'm pretty pleased with this transformation, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, should we remind ourselves what I looked like when I woke up, like before this happened? Shall we? I mean, disgusting. I mean, I'm all about embracing natural beauty, but sometimes you've just got to bring yourself to life a little bit more. Of course, I had my campaign with my single, well, my unreleased single that I've given to you for free if you want it. It's called No Filter. The link is in the description box below. It's my unreleased song that I'm giving to you as a free gift that you can download and stream via my website until my next single, so stay tuned for new music. I'm so excited for you to hear my actual single that's going to be released in the next month. So this is my like routine that I do when I'm feeling worse for wear to bring myself to life. Skincare, makeup, of course, just a few tips. You deserve it, girl, you deserve it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. It's super random, but I fancied doing it and I hope you liked it. You can find all of the products that I've used listed below if you want to just follow the links. That will just make life easier for you. I highly recommend. And I would love you forever if you were to please like this video and subscribe. I'm so excited to bring you so much more content. Let me know in the comments below what more you'd like to see. And also, let me know in the comments below what your tip is on a hangover, or if you're tired, or if you're just feeling worse for wear one day and you're like, do you know what? I need to turn this around. What do you do? Let me know. I'll give you a little close-up of this makeup look. I mean, 10 times better. My skin looks fresh, rejuvenated, and I'm ready to go. I'm so happy. But I hope you enjoyed this, my beauties, and I can't wait to see you on the next one. Love you lots. Bye.